Hello, you're looking at my toaster and it's got toast settings from 1 through to 6, and today I'm going to test the theory that each one of those settings from 1 to 6 represents the toasting time in minutes. So at the moment it's on setting number 1, and so that should take just 1 minute to cook the toast. So I'll press the start button, press the toaster down and see how we go. Okay, the toast there has just popped at 1 minute and 43 seconds, which is well over the predicted time of 1 minute for that setting. Okay, reset the stopwatch, turn the dial now around to 2 and press start and press the toast down. Let's test the the 2 setting to see if that takes 2 minutes to cook. There we go, the toast has popped at 2 minutes and 10 seconds, which is just over the 2 minutes predicted. Okay, add some fresh bread. Turn the dial around to 3 and let's see if this time takes 3 minutes to cook the toast. Okay, the toast has just popped at 2 minutes and 21 seconds, which is well short of the 3 minutes predicted. Okay, take out the old toast, add some fresh bread, turn the dial round to 4 and test the 4 setting. Start and press the toast down and let's see how the 4 setting goes. There we go, the toast has popped now at 2 minutes and 26 seconds, well short of the 4 minutes predicted. So yes, I can safely say then that, well, this toaster only I suppose, but that the settings on the toaster do not represent the cooking time in minutes for the toaster. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.